Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. The center has appointed a 3-member commission to examine the sensitive issue of extending scheduled caste (SC) status to all those who have historically suffered discrimination and untouchability, regardless of the religion they now profess. Full stop. It is a task fraught with difficulty for the panel headed by former Chief Justice of India K.G. Balakrishnan, as it will have to grapple with both social realities and ideological objections while addressing the core question. Full stop. The government itself has described it as a seminal and historical complex sociological and constitutional question. Full stop. This is not the first time that the issue has come up before the Supreme Court. The panel's appointment comes in the wake of the court asking the center to clarify its position on the issue, or has been examined by a commission headed by a former Chief Justice. Full stop. In 1985, the Supreme Court agreed that historical discrimination may continue even after members of the SCs convert to other religions, but did not decide in favor of such converts being given SC status, as it felt there was not enough material outlining their condition after conversion. Full stop. It is to be welcomed that the Balakrishnan Commission has been asked specifically to examine the changes that Dalits go through after conversion in terms of their social status and the discrimination they may face, along with the implications of according them SC status. Full stop. The National Commission for Religious and Linguistic Minorities, headed by retired Chief Justice Ranganath Mishra, also examined this issue. Full stop. In its 2007 report, the panel made a categorical recommendation in favor of giving SC status to Dalits belonging to all religions. Full stop. It found the caste system to be an all-pervading social phenomenon in India, shared by almost all Indian communities. Full stop. It stressed the constitutional need to eliminate the religion-based discrimination underlying the present policy of limiting SC status to those professing Hinduism, Sikhism and Buddhism. Full stop. While the tenets of a religion may not allow discrimination, the ground reality was different, it said. Full stop. The main counter views are well known: discrimination and deprivation being the consequences of the caste-based Hindu social order, SC status should not be extended to those who have converted to Christianity and Islam, and the benefits involved may be seen as an incentive to mass conversion. Full stop. Another objection is that the share of the reservation pie available to Dalits among Hindus may shrink if new sections are included. Full stop. There is no creamy layer concept for SC reservation, and expanding its scope may be to the disadvantage of the concurrent beneficiaries. Full stop. The Commission will have to come up with a definitive study of these complex issues. Full stop.